Tonight we're going camping and cooking right over the campfire with the help of our new pie iron. And it comes shipped to your door, ready to cook you some dinner. Inside the box, you'll find your camp cooker. It's 26.9 inches long and made out of cast iron. It comes pre-seasoned and has wooden handles that will help stay cool. Then if you unhook your pie iron and open it up, you can find a recipe booklet. The pie iron has easy shut hinges. Just connect them together, shut the iron, and lock it closed. Then you're ready to store it away until you're ready to eat. But I'm ready to go camping, so I put the pie iron in the fire and began heating it up. After it was nice and toasty, I pulled it out and put some butter to melt. After that's fully covered and buttered, you can put down your bread, push it into the iron, and add your toppings. You can make pies, grilled cheese, or pizzas super easily. Me, I'm gonna make some pizza with some farm fresh pizza sauce and toppings. I shared a couple pepperonis with my pepperoni and then topped my pizza with cheese. Put on the top iron and clamped it closed. Lock it shut and slide it into the fire to do its thing. Flip it over to make sure you're toasting both sides equally. And of course, you can open it up and check on it if you need to. But eventually, you'll find your fully cooked and delicious looking pizza. I hung out by the campfire and ate with my husky throughout the night. We made pies and pizza pies. Everything was delicious, and it got me thinking about more recipe options. But fortunately, I have a booklet full of ideas already. So yeah, I'm loving my new pie iron, and I already can't wait for my next camping trip. There's something special about eating campfire food that I just love. And these pie irons remind me of making pies as a kid by the campfire, so it's a little bit nostalgic and all the bit delicious. They're high quality, cook your food evenly, and do what they're supposed to. What's not to love? So if you'd like to get a pie iron for you or your family, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go cook one last pizza. It was really good. See ya.